sit down. I've never seen that happening before. Your hands, please, and move in circles and move heavily. Come on forward. There's a lot of space here. Move in a full circle. Open up your shoulders. Did you get a phone call from her? Okay. Move. Faster. Make it little heavy and little faster. Come on, hurry up. Exercise which you never do. This movement of the shoulder is so neglected, and mostly you start with headaches and a lot of stuff because of this. If you are blonde, blue, yellow, green, whatever you are, move it. This tires you? I've never seen this kind of scene before. Come on, heavy. Move the whole universe. You are the only power the earth rotates, otherwise it's going to stop. Come on, quick. No, Satpeter, not only the wrist. Wrist has nothing to do, the whole hand from the shoulders. That's tantamount to cheating. Whole thing. Look. That's what I need. I need a full circle of the full upper body. Jesus Christ, look at this situation. If he is nailed at the cross, should forgive you, that's something different, otherwise it's funny. Come on. Okay, you can write later. Come on, look at that. She's writing it now. That gives you 2 minutes of rest, I understand. Come on, guys, come on. You have to live, not me. Move, full circle. Move your upper self. Move. Give it a chance. Human neglect. Look at this. Nobody does that. They don't care. There's nothing to meditate, Satnam saying, move. Move. You're such a fantastic dancer. You should be in a position to move. Harihar saying, move. Okay. Put your hand in front, touch the ground and touch the forehead and come back up. All the way up. Take the hands up. Up here. Up, up, back, up, down, all the way, hurry up. Come on, quick. Never again. Up, up, up. I want to see the all hands going very up and coming down. Quick, fast. What kind of yoga is this, huh? I told you to come prepared. I just want to steam you up a little bit. Third exercise is really hard, therefore just do this so that you can feel happy. Comparative study. Up, up, up in the morning. Oh, did everybody come down like that? Come on. Become a little emotional. Aren't you emotional sometime? Show me the emotion. Come on, quick. No, I'll set you, just don't wait, just few more minutes and let you go to the third one, you'll be okay. Hey, all the way up, the whole world is gone, bank has closed down. Taxes are heavy, whatever you want to say, come on up and come down. Be creative. Make art out of everything, huh? All right. You're very good. Oh, no. Up, up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up. Bend forward and put your hands on the ground. And on the four legs, jump. Jump. Jump on these four legs. Simultaneously jump. People don't like jumping, I know. But you should like it for a while. Strength will be at the navel point. Concentrate and jump. That is easy, Satsimran. It's not difficult. Jump. Come on, folks. This is something. Hey, you think I'm seeing not everybody? Everybody is seeing. Don't hide behind each other. Come on up. Jump up, man. Just get going. There's a fan only up there. No big deal. Move your navel. Try to see whether you can do it or not. My idea is not to make you jump. My idea is to pull it from the navel strength and see you can go up. I thought it's a very simple exercise. You are making it difficult. Up you go. No, at the same time. Legs and hands at the same time and then come back at the same time. Mamma mia. Do you want a pizza? Spaghetti? Double cheese? Come on, hey, you! Up, 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 up! Best is for navel. Akasha, it is not a bad idea. Jump up. Okay, stand straight. Okay, bend forward and go down between the legs and look down. See what you look. And go up straight and go bent back from there down there. Yeah. All the way move. 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 Move, move, move. Ravi Har Singh, move. You are married now. Come on, folks, come on, hurry up. Arre, these are the simple exercises. Why you find it difficult, huh? Okay, put your hands on your hips and crisscross your legs. Beautiful, crisscross, beautiful. Keep going. Now each time crisscross, don't have shelter in between. Yeah. Resting is not the way, one and then. Hand on your hips and keep going. Hey, come on, come on. Sat Simran, hurry up please, you're wasting time. No, don't take rest on the side. Crisscross, hey, yeah. Get going. Move fast. Come on, Tarmaka. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. She is really in a rhythm and shape. Come on, good. No, we can't. What we are stopping for? Well, what we have done so far, we are resting. Hey, Surya, what is going on? You wanted a yoga class or what? Naranjan, dissolve your spaghetti. Come on, quick. Aha, hey, move. Come on, folks, come on. Mamma mia, I can't believe it. Come on, G, hurry up. Okay, crisscross your hands too. Oh, what? Come on, hurry up, on, legs and hands both. Up, hands up. Yeah. Balance, quick. It's very easy, it is really. It's just like, it's a very balanced situation. If you do it, you will really enjoy it. And your heart has to go to a certain beat with the body muscles, and your chakras has to be stimulated. There's no way I'm going to sit and wait 20 years that you will raise the Kundalini. Come on, now is the time, just do it. And don't want a postman will come and deliver you a letter and then you'll start doing it. And don't you stop behind, you know. Come on, I'm looking at. Come on, keep going. Hey, Hari Har Singh, Falcon Man, what are you doing? Start dancing. La 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 la. Come on, quick. Oh mama. Come on, quick. Cross. Up and down, cross. Chalo, come on. Yankee Doodle Doodle Dan. Chalo, come on, quick, quick. Somehow. Hey, it will hurt in the belly somewhere where the stoppage or shrinkage is happening. Come on. We want to get rid of that, otherwise it makes a lot of medical problems. Hey, Dr. Dayal say crisscross your legs. What are you doing? Crisscross, you don't know? Work it out, work it out, work it out. Oh, great. Wonderful, wonderful. All right, sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. What is wrong now? Something wrong? Not yet. I tell you something more we have to do, and it's very funny. You know, these two shoulders you got? Yeah. You know this movement? Pull it from here and move it really powerful. I mean, just for your sake. Move it as it is. Yeah. Those two big bones in the back, just pull them up and just get going. Very intense. And do it as intensely as you can. Move. Kashe, this is upper thing. Put the shoulders up and then move them. Around the neck. Hey, put the camera on her so that she can see what she's doing. All right, lie down flat, stretch pose. Lie down, quick. Aha. And raise your heels and head and make that stretch pose, you know. What they call this? Come on. Purify your blood, automatic. You don't have to do a thing. Just get in this posture and pump the air back and forth. Hey, burn out all that junk you ate yesterday and so many yesterdays. When you promise to be good and you promise to be nice and you promise to be right, now this is the time to be all right. It's called junk out posture, right? This universe is so sweet, darlings. Can't believe it. Come on. Soldiers! On your position, keep going. Okay, put your heels with your chest and lock your hands and roll on your back. Be careful. Massage is called massage. Okay, can you sit in a lotus pose, please? The cross legs really tie in. Try it if you can, then it'll be an easy pose if you can sit in a lotus pose. Got it? Huh? Okay. Then go back, come forward. Yeah? Just like that. And up. Yeah. Oh, very good. Simple. It's so good. Up, down, Those legs are very helpful if they are in lotus. Come on, Magat, come on, darling. Ah, yeah. It's very good. It is a very balanced situation. Isn't Krishna? It's very balanced, right? It's just called within the budget. Lock your both legs. What is the difficulty? Just lock them. Just tell them they are locked. That's it. Don't you say this is the way it is. No, don't listen. Don't listen to them. Yeah. Ouch! 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 Who's gonna do it? You know, you are getting older than the age. What is this going on? Come on! You guys! Ah, Mama! Hey, hurry up! It's very inspiring seeing you going up. Very inspiring. Bottom up they call it, right? All right. It's one simple exercise. Get on your four legs again. Yeah, come on, quick. And put a tape, Satanam Ji, and just with musically dance with it. Yeah. On your balance. Dance your balance. Just hurry up. Put it. Yeah. On your four things, just dance. Move your hips and dance with it. Arches of the feet, hand, pressure on the hands, fingers, just use them as really pause and put little weight and move the body little bit in a dance. Give it a little form. Move the upper structure a little bit with it. Rib cage, lymph area, lower back, those joints, and about 4 inches. That lower back hurts, you know that? Those two things which move. Forget about your body. Huh? Neck a little bit left and right, and whole thing just sweet. Get into a rhythm though. Okay, lie down flat now. Okay, with your these, what are you call them? Knees, hit your chest. Alternatively, bring one leg up as much you can. It will be difficult. The legs will just start gone tough or nothing. Bring them, pull them toward chest as much you can. That's the idea. They say we play music, American do good job, but here is something funny. Sat Simran. More. Surya, you're doing fine. Very good. Dharmakar, little fine, darling. Just little fine. Just, yeah. If you stretch out fast, the navel will balance automatically. Then it has no alternative. That's what the idea is. Okay, lie down flat, please. Straight, flat. All okay. All. Beautiful, right? Put your hands up there and clap. Make it wider. And create no sound. Create no sound. Take the hand wider. Create no sound. Move. Chest area muscles, that's what we want to move. Move. Now lie down flat. Totally relax. Relax your feet, your toes. Relax. And go into nap. Just sleep. 1, 2, relax. 3 and go. Those who are alive, put your hand on the side. Don't put your hands on the chest. On the side flat, not on the chest. Hare Manat, you are doing good. You can lie down like that too. Yeah. Go on her. Yeah. He's doing it. He can do it. Yep. Good. Now, project through the third eye point. We are going out in a rhythmic note, heavy. Please sing. Roll. Resurrect from the dead. Complete the resurrection by standing up, raising your hands up in the prayer. Up, 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 up. And stand in the tree posture. This set of exercise must follow after relaxation with the deep posture. Remember that. Change your leg. Do justice. Now please sit down and take your both hand and really massage your face, heavy. Every part of it, heavily. Heavy massage, heavy. You have to go to touch every meridian, every nerve. Get after that. Heavy, heavy, heavy massage. Deep, deep, solid. It included head and scalp in there, that whole thing. It's not only just somebody just hanging on with the cheek that's the final thing to do. Get down with your fingers into every part of your scalp and ear lobe and back and front, neck up and down all the way. Neck, 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 back and front of the neck. Yourself quite a bit. Okay, the chest or breast, whatever you have, that area. Get into it now. Get it, really. Including both shoulders. I will do like this. I'll go right into it. Yeah, yeah. I'll really do it. Come on, come on. We'll save $30, you know. All right, take your hands. Left hand massage the right. Wrist. Come on, quick, quick. You gotta shake up these muscles which you sometimes not touch. Flex your spine. No, one solid movement. Tight chin. Tight chin. And take a stretch. Come on, take a stretch, left or right. The youthful stretch. Yeah, full. Yeah. Come on. Full stretch. Yeah, good. May the long time. I would like you to continue this set for this week and find it out because the idea to give this set to you is the spring is coming, right? Is it on? Not yet. Right? And this little 1 hour every day, you should use this to invoke in you the strength of the spring. It is to free the navel, reactivate the lymph area, remove the blocks which normally we create in the winter, and give the body a new lease. That's the purpose of this little set sharing with you. And it depends upon how you like to look at it. But I'd like you to, till next Wednesday we meet, you will do it really right. Thank you. Satnam.